This is Ground Affected.
My name is your dad.
And welcome to dropping a model off the shelf. This video is the once a month Artist of the Month video. Now if you don't know what that is once a month where we show all the artists of the month and pick one which we think deserves to be the artist of the month. That's a lot of saying of the artist of the month, so I'm just going to show you all the entries for the artist of the month in this next clip, and let me know what you think in the description. It's not even a description. I don't even have words. Words don't even work. Look at the pictures. Also, while you're doing it, click like, click subscribe if you haven't already. You know the drill. One more subscriber, get one more new subscriber. Enjoy the video. Now, there is something that I'm noticing happening within this little contest of sorts, and what I'm seeing is that there are a lot of really highly skilled artists entering, which may or may not be making some of the beginners feel a little bit intimidated by the Artist of the Month. Don't feel intimidated by it. It's not something to be scared of. No one is judging. Okay, they're judging because it's Artist of the Month, but no one's judging whether your work is good or bad. They're judging whether you even tried and showed up to the event at all. Now I know I don't really know how to use words, and I can't really put them into sentences that make any kind of sense. That doesn't really matter too much. But what I can say is this month, the Artist of the Month is one of our newest patrons, and that is William Ty. And my dude, I have to say, your work is super crisp. It's really, really good. And the best thing about having artists like you on the Patreon and in the Discord is it helps to raise the level of everyone else. This is why I say don't be afraid to enter this specific, is it a competition? I don't know what it is, but don't be afraid, because the whole point of it is that you will grow as an artist without knowing that you're growing. You're going to be growing. It's psychological. It's happening. People are getting better. I see it every month. It doesn't really matter. Just put your pieces in. If you're not part of the Patreon, there is a link for that in the description. Also, I'm getting a lot closer to the studio. I got leases yesterday, so that is very cool. That means that things are going to be happening even more. Lately, things have been a little bit crazy because I'm in between running around doing adulting and trying to make things work on the painting side as well as in my tattoo life. Things are a little bit crazy, but none of the videos have suffered. We are going to be going forward with more, greater, bigger, better things. If there is anything you would like to see in a video in the future, make sure to leave that down in the little square box that YouTube gives you for words that you can leave. Even if you don't want to leave a suggestion, just tell me about how much toast you had for breakfast. It doesn't really matter. Thank you so much for your great cooperation. Oh, one more thing I must say is super special. Thank you to the Patreons, of course. It's without them that I couldn't have these lights blinding my eyeballs. I shouldn't have looked in the light. My eyes hurt now. And speaking of patrons, I must thank the new patrons we got this week. Alexander Chung and Chris Booth. My dudes, thank you so much for helping my eyes hurt. The retinas because of the lights. Words are not working. If you didn't like anything you saw in this video, just f*** off. Honestly, I think I'm actually getting worse at making videos.